Looking for easy connectivity to tech park, malls, major highway, metro line and even airport? Then this project is for you. Welcome to Godrej Properties newly launched project in Yelahanka, North Bangalore, bang on Bellary Road. Hello everyone and welcome to Housey. Myself Jay Talain. Today we'll be revealing the teaser of Godrej Yelahanka. And in this teaser we'll be discussing about project overview, location, amenities, super built-up area, booking process, launch discount offers and many more. But before starting the video, let me show you the actual surrounding of the project, and I'm standing in front of the project itself. And this is the entrance of our project. So once you enter, this is the land parcel and the marketing office is inside over here. Now let me introduce you all with Housey. So Housey is nothing but India's first real estate platform that connects home buyer directly with developer, thereby giving you all the bottom rate pricing. Unlike current listing platform where if you do a single inquiry, your contact number is shared with multiple brokers, resulting in too many phone calls. Well, you no need to worry because Housey is here who connects you directly with builders. Because in Housey, the listing is done by the builders and not the broker. So book your dream home directly with builders on Housey. Now let's discuss about the project overview. And this project is spread across 10 acres of land parcel with 9 towers in all, with each tower of 2 basement, ground plus 15 floors, having 3 BHK, 3.5 and 4.5 BHK premium residencies. Now about the location part, and the project is located bang on Bellary Road in Yelahanka, North Bangalore. So let me show you the surrounding of the project. So right now I'm standing on the service road, and on back end side you can connect towards Hebbal, and here this side is the Bellary main road, and this is the blue metro line with easy connectivity to the land parcel, and this side you can connect towards your airport. Now about the further connectivity and location of the project. So you can connect to Satwa Horizon Amazon office in just 2 minutes from the project. Mall of Asia is 20 minutes away. Manyata Tech Park you can connect in 25 minutes from the project, and even you can connect to Campagoda International Airport in 25 minutes. Now about the amenities part, and this project provides you luxurious amenities like a clubhouse, gym, yoga lawn, multi-purpose hall, kids play area, garden area and many more. Coming to the super built-up area, so as mentioned, this project offers you 3 BHK, 3.5 BHK and 4.5 BHK residencies. Where 3 BHK starting from 1600 square feet to 1900 square feet. 3.5 BHK is 2150 square feet and 4.5 BHK is 2500 square feet super built-up area. And now about the booking process, and currently the project is in pre-launch stage and our EOI window is open now. So we are inviting our interested clients to come and visit the site, where our sales team will explain the complete project detail, will share the payment and pricing scheme, and will show you the model apartment as well. And then if clients like the project, they can proceed for the EOI. So everyone, this was the project teaser of Godrej Properties newly launched project in Yelahanka, North Bangalore.
If you have any queries related to the project like pricing, exclusive pre-launch discounts, EOI process, brochure, or you want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients from UAE, US, Singapore, UK and other countries can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such new launch teaser videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.